Hi there, this is Joseph of Joseph Forex Tribe and welcome again sa ating new training, and this is our day 8. So for today, discuss natin yung how to set up your affiliate account. So dito guys, tuturuan ko na kayo kung saan tayo mag-register ng broker, how to register, and how to verify. Yan, so let's dive into our main board. Alright, so dito, so all we have to do is mag-register sa link na to. Alright, so I will put this link sa ating subscription sa baba ng video na to. So click mo lang yan, then enter your email. So I already have a email here. So for example, this is your email, verified email, then click acknowledge and privacy and click get to get the OTP. Alright, then get back to your email and get the OTP code. Alright, so this one, then next. So dito, choose your password. Alright, so dito, so anything yung password naman pwede naman, but for this demo purposes I will use this password. Alright, then repeat password and click done. Then this one, they're asking for us to verify, no? So if I walk through nyo lang yan, kasi this only for our demo, no? Alright, so Philippines, for example, ito i-upload tayo. So for example, kuha lang tayo ng mga images dito. So upload nyo yung for example, ito national identity, yung then passport, driver's license or other. So mga yung UMID, yan, pwede yan. So let's next natin. So dito fill up your name. So for example, siya si Juan de la Cruz. So Philippines, mail day. So your birthday, place of birth, bawa Pasig City, tapos yung identity card, ayan. So lagay nyo lang guys yung card, ang identity card number nung like yung UMID nyo if you're uploading a UMID card. Residential address. So dito nag-ask to ng phone number nyo and residential address, no? So kuha tayo ng address, for example Makahiya Street, Kopong Manila City, for example, ganyan, no? So number, so you put your cellphone number, US person declaration, siyempre no. Then next, what's the result? So any will do. The experience, so kahit ano naman sagot natin dyan. So ito yung mga una na lang yung piliin natin. Okay, then next, employment status atin, kahit ano na rin do. So what ano yung applicable sa inyo. Alright, So pila pa nyo lang yan. Ayan. Alright, so ayan, wait na lang tayo sa ating verification. Alright, so ayun. So hindi pa natin makukuha yung ating affiliate link. We just need to verify this account. Alright, so sige, isa-sample ko na lang yung aking account. Alright, so quick update lang. So after you get verified, you need to deposit at least $10 to activate the IB Link portal. So ito guys, once you are verified, lalabas yung IB program here dito. Ayan, tapos click nyo yung refer a friend, then makikita nyo dito yung invitation link. This will be your invitation link or your IB link or your referral link. So ito yung gagamitin natin na ipopromote natin to sign up people. Once they register, they also verify it and they deposit. Then once na pag-deposit na sila, then siyempre they can choose our services, no? Pwedeng copy trading, pwedeng i-install, pwedeng signals. So depende sa kanila, depende rin sa i-offer mo na product for them. Alright, so I will post the affiliate link dito sa ating sa comment section, and mostly yung verification mabilis lang naman. So alright, so again, if you have any questions, feel free to our comment section or sa ating group chat. Alright, see you again for another video tomorrow. Thank you, bye bye, and God bless.